Parallel vehicle importers operate in a complex world. Multiple suppliers, multiple countries, multiple branches, and often disconnected systems. Without a unified system, businesses face stock losses, cash flow pressure, and operational confusion. Moiboo is built specifically for multi-brand vehicle importers and retailers. Plan purchases intelligently based on sales trends, track shipments from supplier to yard, and manage vehicles VIN-wise across all locations. Automatically calculate true landed cost, including freight, duty, taxes, and expenses, while staying compliant with local accounting and tax laws. Manage inventory across yards, warehouses, and showrooms with complete control and visibility. From inquiry to delivery, manage the entire customer journey in one platform. Moiboo also powers your workshop and after-sales operations. Leadership gets real-time intelligence to make confident decisions. If you import and sell multiple vehicle brands, Moiboo brings control, clarity, and growth into one system. Moiboo, the operating system for parallel vehicle importers. Book your demo today.